Hey, Bon Crowder here. So I have this nifty little HTML over here, and I have my CSS over here, and I have commented all these floats and clears so that I can quickly turn them on and off in the Chrome, whatever it's called, developer tools. So I'm working with red right now. So there's red, blue, working with red, and I'm going to float left. So you can see what happens to the little blue guy. Everybody moves up when you float him left. So if you float him right, what happens? Woo! Now notice I have words in there just so I can see what happens as the words go around. I don't think the clears have, what about float none? No. Float inherit? Nope. All right, so let's float him left and go to the blue guy. Now we're on blue. Notice blue here. We're going to float him left. Whoops, he jumps up there. But what if instead of floating him left, we float him right? Whoop. Ooh, look at that. Snazzy, huh? I'm wondering if I float him left and right, which one comes first? I guess that one does. The right one does. Interesting. And if I clear him, if I clear left, that means I go underneath. So clear in the sense of the float and clear is clearance. So don't think of it as clearing away, but rather like going under the bridge. You have to clear the bottom of the bridge with the top of your head, or you'll whack your noodle. So that's what the clear means. Give yourself clearance and go underneath. So if I should be able to clear, okay, so clear left, but if I clear right, it doesn't do anything. If I clear both, boop, and how about the inherit the clear? Oops, apparently there's no inherited clear. So I have no wrapper div. Okay, so let's float this guy left. Now let's see what happens with the green. So now I'm in green. If I float left, he should go up there next to the blue guy. Woohoo, he did. If I float him right, he should go, oh, not clear, float right. Should go over there. Awesome. And if I clear him left, he should go under the red and the blue. Clear, where's my clear left? Clear left. Whoop, there he goes, underneath. So now I'm going to float him right for the next one just to see what happens and go. Now we're going to talk orange. Now notice orange is underneath everybody, right? Because he's back in the flow. So if I float him left, ooh, what happens? Oh, look at that. So notice the yellow and the pink and the purple just go up. So the orange, oh, look, when you float left, he clears the red and the blue, not the green, and he goes to the left, and then everything else bumps up. See how they bump up, bump up, bump up. Now, if I clear left, he should go under the blue, but not under the green. Aha, see that? He goes under the blue. Now, if I instead float right, I think he's gonna go, I don't know, let's see. Ooh, now isn't that curious? Huh. Let me scooch this open. Oh my goodness. Look at that snazzy stuff. So, my old eyes have this. There we go. So if we have him floating right, he's going to go over there. Here we go. I'm sorry, we're on orange, aren't we? Orange. So we have orange floating right. Goes back over, floats. Wow, that's curious. Okay, so let's clear, so we know clear left goes under there. I think clear right is going to make him go under the green, but still on the left. Yes. Okay, so see how he's like, if I hover here, his whole bar is under the green. Now, if I clear both, I think he's going to be in the same place as right there. Yep. I wonder what happens if I float none, clear none. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the inherit thing only happens if we're inside somebody else, because that would make sense. So let's float him right. Now I'm itching to find out what happens with the yellow guy. So I think if I float the yellow guy, we're going to have to squish in, aren't we? If I float the yellow guy, stop it already. I wonder if I can get rid of that. Yeah. I'm going to float yellow left. I'm thinking he's going to go up next to the blue. Maybe not. Oh, we so did. Interesting. Now, but if instead we float him right, he goes there. If I clear him left, he's going to go under the blue. If I clear him right, he's going to go under the orange, but on the left side. Yes. Now, I wonder what happens if I clear left and float right. So I'm going to clear left and then float right. Ooh, isn't that curious? Huh. So, but if I don't clear the left and just float the right. Now let's float left, but clear right. Remember, it's clearance. Ooh, so he floated left, but notice he's, where'd he go? Yellow? Ooh, interesting. He doesn't go all the way across. That's curious. Okay, so I'll go ahead and float him left, but clear right. And then we'll go into purple or pink. Oh yeah, remember, because pink is up here. Pink is hiding under everything because remember, they're out of flow. Red, blue, orange, green, and yellow are all out of flow. Pink, purple, brown, and gray are still in flow. We can barely see gray down there. All right, let's go to pink. Pink, I'm going to float him left. Okay, so now that we've cleared right, pink is now going to float left. See where he goes? Oop. I wish this was less snappy and more smoothly animated. So if I float him right, I think, is he going to go right next to the orange or under the orange and on the far right? Let's look. Ooh, curious. Okay, so let's float left. Ooh, oh, look at that. I didn't even try that. Float left and clear left means he cleared, he cleared the previous floating stuff on the left and then floated left. I bet if I clear right and float right, he's going to go to this, he's going to go over here is what I think. Clearing the yellow, but floating on the right. So let's clear left and float right. Whoa, my heavens. Okay, anyway, so all this is in at GitHub. So I don't know if I can type in here someplace. My GitHub username is mathfour, M-A-T-H-F-O-U-R. Oh, look, there it is right there.